How to log into Alibaba app on iPad. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can log into the Alibaba application on iPad, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to basically log into the Alibaba app on your iPad, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Alibaba.com application here, and then you're going to see this in this kind of interface where you can see get started or the register or sign in option depending on what you want. If you don't have an account, you can tap the register option, or you can directly tap the register or sign in option that you can find here. And then once you do that, you should be able to go ahead and then basically actually continue with your password by entering your name or whatever else, or you can choose to actually select the sign in with email option here and log in using email, or you can log in with Google or your LinkedIn account. This way you'll be able to basically log into Alibaba on iPad. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.